Hey, what's up everybody? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you different parts of a Django project. So let's create a new project. Let's give it a flask example name. Just click create and you'll see the name of the project. Just click on the name and the source code page will pop up. You can insert from source code from app templates or insert from GitHub account, but let me show you the other parts. This is the services tab. In this tab you can add services like MySQL, Nginx, and a whole bunch of other services with just a few clicks. More on that later. Next is volume tab. You can create volumes and mount it on your services and your project. The next one is the settings tab. You can add a domain to your project or delete your project and change the settings. For example, the project info. The next tab is the deploy. Here, obviously, you can deploy your project, start it, stop it, restart it, and stuff like that. So let's go back to the main page and insert from app templates. Let me find my flask hello world. Here it is. Click insert and that's it. It has been cloned into my project. Next, I need to go to the deploy tab and just click on this run button. It will be built and started just like this. Looks like that it's done. Just click on this link and you will see the hello world. So it's working. Now let's go back to the main and edit the source code and take a look at it. Click on this link and the Doprax editor will be opened. This is the main page. This is the main repository of your project. As you can see, the most important file here is this dockerfile that uses this entry point, and this entry point is simply a GUnicorn that works on an app, and the app is our main program that runs. So let's change this value that this function returns and save it. Now let's go back. Let's go to the deploy tab and we can restart the main. It will again build the project from the start and stop the currently running container and start the newly built one. It's now starting and it should be working now. Click on the link and as you can see, it's changed now. So let's check out some logs from the server. This is the log directly coming from our server from the GUnicorn, and we can easily open a shell into our project. This is the shell. For example, we can list the contents of this folder or check out the root and check out the contents of the root and any other command that you might need to run. For example, in a Django migration, in the Django deployment, you can migrate, collect statics, and other stuff too. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.